just dance. You know how you do it. There's no nigga like you, and there'll never be another nigga like you. Put your foot on these motherfuckers' necks. Do it to him, daddy, do it to him.
As my Dayton spin low, rider sitting low, hitting corners so hard you can taste my rims. Hard top 6'4", I'm Diddy, no tint, I can't hide in New York City. I'm bout it in the South, sleep good in the West. Know a chick from Watts with Bad Boy tatted on her breast. I done been there and did it. 10 years without getting sweat inside my Yankee fitted. 1990 Raw, I showed you ice. You ain't know who Jacob was, so I showed you twice. When it was all about the Benjamins, I had 2 bezels on my arm, like a Don supposed to. Sean. Ride with a chauffeur in Gucci loafers, a switch to all stars without losing focus. These rap niggas hopeless. You could change the locks, but I'ma shine for niggas that ain't no big. The world famous. As we proceed to give you what you need. It's been so long. It's been so real. So magnificent. Tell me who shot big. And take the bullets out of Tupac's ribs. If I could, I would reverse the car, reverse the beat, put it on a pot and pour it on a D.B. Sometimes I get drunk for stress relief. Other times I put life after death on repeat. We ride. What's a 4-door Bentley coupe without my nigga on the passenger side? And still I try to get money, stay fly, finish the race holding my crown high. I fly next to God, my eyes on the prize. Been away a long time, but now re-energized. As we proceed, lifetimes of a mastermind. Dedicate every breath to claim my designs. Mine. In the day I die, let a G4 fly and dump my ashes over NY. Y'all know my name. Y'all know my motherfucking name. I told you I was gonna be great, mom. I told you I was gonna be somebody. Oh, feels so good. Feels so free. Put your fists in the air. I'm the king of all kings. I abide by no rules and do what I do by any means. All necessary, the great visionary, born extraordinary, my life legendary. Who else can put flows out, can put clothes out, flee the cold weather, short sleeves with my toes out. 9-6 big showed me what to do. But deep in my heart, this is no way out too. Spend absurd money, private bird money, that Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Bloomberg money. Old habits die hard, the Vanguard Award winner, New York torch stripper, OG of the floors, nigga. I'm seeing visions like I did a bag of angel dust. This is life when you black, rich, and dangerous. I'm with God, I'ma live on forever. Bad boy for life, bitch, nobody does it better. Y'all know my name, y'all know my motherfucking name. I'm in the best shape of my life. Y'all know my name, y'all know my motherfucking name. Baby, what I am today. You created this monster. It's so inspirational. It's so real. It's bad boy, bitch.
So there y'all have it. Words from a wise, great king. We love it when you speak the truth, daddy. Don't ever stop. Please, don't ever stop.